Hi, my name is Sławomir Jacek and I love to research and share security aspects of new technologies. Today, I'd like to invite you to my upcoming training, a practical introduction to Bluetooth Low Energy. But why actually BLE security is important? There are billions of devices that use this technology. Alarming vulnerabilities are disclosed daily, and there are still not enough security specialists in this area. But why this training? I worked very hard to cover lots of aspects in accessible way. I believe the best way to learn is by practice, so the training is focused mostly on hands-on practical exercises. We will start with the very basics of the technology. You will get familiar with BLE advertisements, connections, packets, based on specially developed BLE devices running on provided hardware dev kits. Then we will proceed with sniffing, dumping packets on Android phone, jamming, hijacking connections, performing BLE man in the middle and remote relay, abusing firmware over-the-air update, and cracking the encryption. We will also cover web Bluetooth, introduce Bluetooth 5 and mesh, as well as firmware development and flashing. So you will be able to alter the provided sample devices and flash them on the dev kits. We will also brief the multitude of Bluetooth related vulnerabilities. But how is it actually possible to learn hardware wireless security hands-on remotely? Well, first of all, we will ship you the included hardware set that contains not only simulated devices, dongles, sniffers and so on, but also a pre-configured mobile phone and Raspberry Pi with pre-installed software. You will get step-by-step instructions for all the exercises possible to repeat also later after the training, and we will be in direct contact during the live session. Please register as soon as possible, as we need to ship the hardware to you in advance. And in case you cannot make it for this edition or the hours do not suit you, don't worry, we will announce new editions, and please let us know your needs. We can also organize private on-demand training, covering also other topics, for example, NFC, RFID, and so on. Thank you, and hope to see you at the training.